The International Day of Forests on 21st March. 24% of the geographical area of India is covered with forests. The Indian forests accounts to 2% of the forests in the world. Indian state known as the land of forests is Jharkhand. Jharkhand means land covered with forests. The Indian states covered by land of forests. Madhya Pradesh having largest area of forests. Arunachal Pradesh is second largest area of forests. Mizoram having the highest percentage of forests cover. Indian Forest Research Institute. Indian Forest Research Institute is located in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. Largest forest area by country. First, Russia. Second, Brazil. Third, United States of America. And fourth, Canada. The Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the planet Earth. The Amazon is the world's largest and best known as tropical rainforests. The Amazon rainforests spread across 9 countries of South America, namely Brazil, Ecuador, Venezuela, Suriname, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Guyana and French Guiana. The International Day of Forests 2025 theme is Forest and Food. The International Day of Forests on 21st March.